Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Thursday. Today we are doing a video that I haven't done in such a long time, and I was kind of racking my brain for some different video ideas that didn't involve buying a bunch of new stuff. And I was like, oh my gosh, my ReHaul videos. I used to do these all the time and I loved doing them because it gave me a chance to go through an old haul video and see whether I still have all of those products, whether I finished any of them, whether I gave them away, whether I returned them. What is up with those products? What did I think about them, you know, however long later? In this case, I'm rehauling a haul from back on July 18th, it looks like, of 2017, so from last summer. And so I went through and pulled out everything that was still easily accessible to me. So products that I still have in my collection, and anything that I finished, I will tell you guys what I finished. And basically I'm giving you some long-term like mini reviews in this video, and we're gonna see what happened. And I will of course link the original video down below as well. If you're curious, you can go check out what my hair looked like back then, which not any better than today. Okay, so first thing, and I will link everything down below, so if you want to go look any of these things up and read more about them, order them, whatever you want to do, the information will be down below. Okay, so first thing, there was a package of Karuna face masks, and I believe that I actually went through all these Karuna face masks because I did not see them in my mask drawer over here. It could be that some of them are floating around somewhere else, but I really like the Karuna face masks, and I just remember really enjoying every single one that was in that little variety pack. It was an online exclusive at Ulta, I think, so if it's still available, I'll link it down below. If you've never tried the Karuna face masks, I highly recommend them. I find them to be very effective, very soothing. Most of them have, you know, good hydration properties to them, and they just make your skin look nice and plump and just healthy. So really love those if they're still available. I know sometimes like TJ Maxx or Marshalls will have the Karuna face masks, so it's worth keeping an eye out there. But they're really not super crazy expensive, and I do think that they are on the drugstore side of Ulta, so you can use those $3.50 off coupons. So anyway, I think those are definitely worth it. The next thing I still have, and it is the Lilicious Sugar Coconut Body Butter, and it's right here. So I hadn't started using this like on any kind of like full-time basis. There's still a lot of product in here, but I really like this a lot. I really like the Lilicious products in general, and their coconut scented products are to die for. It's like that true, like inside of a coconut, like beachy coconut smell. Not like coconut mixed with like ocean breeze or coconut mixed with pineapple, but like true fresh inside of a coconut type of beachy smell. I love this body lotion, and in fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and like officially put this in my bathroom now. I have so many other body lotions that are in there, and I think that's one of the reasons why I haven't like stuck that in there yet officially, but I do really love the smell of this. I love how hydrating it is, and by the way, it is not greasy at all. Like that has already absorbed and my skin feels really soft. So if you've never tried any of the Lilicious products, everything that I've tried from them, from their scrub to the oil, it's called, the oil is wonderful, and these body lotions, amazing. You might not be into coconut. They do have other scents, so keep that in mind. You can find this at Ulta. Again, I'll link it down below. Okay, next was the Haas Biotin Boost Thickening Cream. So I used this a few times and I thought that it was good, but I didn't love it. So I ended up giving that to my mom, and I believe she used all of it and really liked it a lot. So I would repurchase that again for my mom. It's not something that she would seek out herself, so I'll probably buy her some and just next time I see her give it to her, because I do think that she really did enjoy that. I remember seeing it in her garbage cans one of the times. I think it was when I was up for like around Christmas time or something. So anyway, good stuff, but I just didn't love it in my hair. I don't know. I do like most Haas products though, so their shampoos and conditioners are amazing. The Monoi Coconut is like my all-time favorite. It's wonderful. Also, their deep conditioner is amazing. The Pacifica Coconut Damage Mask. So this was a deep hydrating mask, and I did finish this. I thought it was good. It was not one that I would repurchase because I think it was a little bit too heavy for my hair. That particular mask, those of you that have really thick, curly, kinky, frizzy hair, you need to try that one. It will tame your hair. It is wonderful, very hydrating, way too hydrating for my fine thin hair. You guys can see that my 5 strands of hair, you know, they can get weighed down pretty easily, and that mask was heavier, and while it made my hair really soft, it also made it a little bit almost too silky for my liking. So that one was a no-go for me in terms of repurchasing, but I used it up. The Pacifica Cherry Lava Purify Mask. I actually did a Mask Monday on this, and if I can remember, I'll try to link the Mask Monday down below. I really like this mask. This is a charcoal, wild cherry, volcanic, and green tea mask. It's basically, it's your typical like charcoal mask that dries and that pulls out oil and other impurities. It's sort of like a clean slate. It's really great for those of us that have combination or oily or very oily skin. I wouldn't say that this is something that I would recommend for someone who has sensitive skin or dry skin. You don't need something like this. It does have just a little bit of it has the volcanic ash in it, so it has a little bit of like a grit, but not to where it's gonna tear your face up, if that makes sense. But if you have any kind of aversion to like physical or manual exfoliants, don't use this. I know some of you do. I don't. But anyway, I really like this, and it smells really good too. Has kind of a nice like light, pleasant cherry scent to it. And Pacifica is 100% vegan, and they're also cruelty free, which is very important. I like Pacifica as a company. Okay, the Shea Moisture Raw Shea and Kapuasu Body Butter. Love that. Love it, finished it. Actually have a backup of it, but I couldn't find the backup. I'm in the process of packing a lot of things up, so some things have already been packed away. But I do love that, and I highly recommend it. It has the same type of fun, beachy scent vibe that the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream has. It's not a dupe for it, but it's very hydrating, and it'll make your skin look amazing, and it smells like $1,000,000. So if you love the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, you will love that raw Kapuasu from Shea Moisture. A couple of other things from Shea Moisture: the Virgin Coconut Shampoo and Virgin Coconut Oil Conditioner. So I used both of these. I liked them. I loved the smell of them. But again, a little bit too heavy for my hair, so I won't personally repurchase them, but it did make my hair very soft, very hydrated feeling, just a little bit more weighed down than what I would prefer. Honestly, I'm kind of a loyal sucker to Pureology at this point, so I would not repurchase those myself. But again, if you're on more of a budget and you're looking for a great drugstore cruelty-free option, the Shea Moisture, the virgin coconut oil with the shampoo and the conditioner together would be great for those of you that have curly, kinky, frizzy, thick hair that needs a lot of hydration. It's good stuff, and again, it smells like $1,000,000. I also purchased the Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Body Wash. Love the body wash. Would totally repurchase that again. Again, smell like $1,000,000. Was great for shaving my legs. Very hydrating. Didn't irritate my eczema. Really liked that a lot. Finished it. I'll repurchase that at some point for sure. Also, the Virgin Coconut Daily Hydration Body Lotion. So that one I did end up passing along to my nieces, only because I have so much body lotion and body creams and butters open at any given time. I really liked it, but it wasn't one that I was reaching for very regularly, so I ended up passing it along to the girls, and I think that they really enjoyed it. So Anyway, not one that I would personally repurchase. I have enough lotion to slather up like the entire West Coast. So I have no business buying any more body lotion right now. I'm trying to slow my roll on that and to finish up some of the things that I have this year. So that's going to be my main focus this year, is using up a lot of my body lotions and also a lot of my face masks that I have before buying any more. Ooh. Okay, let's get into some... There's a makeup item. Okay, and it's this, which is funny because I've been using this so much lately. It's the Buxom Suede Seductions eyeshadow palette. I love this. You've seen this a lot on my eyes as of late because I, like I said, have already packed up a lot of my like makeup and stuff. So I'm stuck with a few things for the time being, but this is a great everyday eyeshadow palette that just leaves your eyes looking polished and pretty. There's nothing fancy about this. It's pretty boring. These Buxom palettes are nice because you can actually pop these out and put other colors in here if you want to, or you can create your own eyeshadow palette. I just really liked this combination of colors. I do believe that this was limited edition, but it's still available. So again, if you can get your hands on this one, I would really recommend it for every day. I think it's absolutely beautiful and I love it. Blitek Sport TX from Ebates. I love this. So I am probably more than halfway through this at this point, and I love this product. I will repurchase this time and time again. It is a retexturizing lotion that helps with the refining the look of pores, keeping your skin exfoliated, helping with any mild breakouts, helping to keep blackheads at bay. It just really is a wonderful product that has also had a positive effect on my sebaceous hyperplasia. It keeps them looking flatter, if that makes sense. I use this usually a few times a week, and I just find it to be a wonderful product that is very effective. It's a spendier product, but it's been worth it to me, so I will repurchase this as soon as I finish it. The Ebates line is definitely something that I would like to try more from, so I might be branching out to that in the near future. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. Oh, I love it. Yes, I do want to try the moisturizer. I'm trying hard to not buy the moisturizer right now. I'll be honest, as soon as it was released, I was like, oh, I want that. I want to put it on my face so bad. But I'm gonna hold off because like I said, I'm trying to finish some of the things that I already have. I'm gonna do another skincare panning challenge after this next one. The one that I'm doing right now is going really well, so I will continue to do that as a challenge, you know, every few months this year. But this watermelon sleeping mask is fantastic. I love it. I have used it many times since getting it, and it's a beautiful product. It helps to, again, retexturize the skin. It is wonderful at keeping my pores clear. It's very gentle, makes my skin look just really smooth and feel soft when I wake up in the morning. It is a sleeping mask, so you put it on before you go to bed and then you wash it off in the morning. It's a fantastic product, and I cannot wait. At a later point this year, probably for the November VIB sale, I will pick up the moisturizer because I do really want to try that. I really like Glow Recipe. I think that they have some wonderful products and I'd like to try more. Okay, and then the very last thing is my beloved, I bought several of these because they were on sale for $5 on the NYX website. If this is still available, I will link it down below. This is my favorite contour powder of all time, and I have lots of backups because it's just always been the best. It's the NYX Blush in Taupe. And you will notice that this is not the HD. The HD is totally different. I went through an entire container of the new HD version of Taupe. It's not the same. It's not the same color. It's not the same texture. It doesn't look the same. The new version has more warmth to it. This is very cool toned, and there's just nothing that is like this, and I'm so bummed that NYX did away with it. But luckily I have like 10 or 12 backups, so I'm set for a good chunk of my life here. But anyway, this has just always been fantastic, and whenever I see it anywhere on clearance or sale, I always gobble it up because it is that fantastic. All right. That was everything. That was everything from that haul. Again, I will link everything down below, and I will also, I'll link the original video, and I'll try to remember to do my, link my Mask Monday from this. And now that hang on, I just totally realized that I missed something. Where was this? Was it near the top? There it is. Okay. I forgot something. This. I'm really embarrassed. I have not used this once. I need to use this for a Mask Monday. Sorry. This is the Freeman Manuka and Tea Tree Mask. Yeah. I opened it to smell it. It smells really good, but I haven't used it yet. So I promise to use this in a Mask Monday coming up very soon. The Freeman masks are very affordable, obviously. So, and this one is specifically for oily, breakout prone skin. It's a mask and a cleanser. Freeman has several products like this where there's a mask and a cleanser in one. So sorry that I missed out on this. Anyway, everything's linked down below. Sorry I'm a little bit spastic, got a lot going on, but I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.